it's your girl Lentatah. You guys have asked me so many times for an eyeliner and lashes tutorial, and finally here you are. It's a very short video. I'm also going to tell you about these lips, but make sure you keep on watching, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you like. If you don't want, that's fine, but if you like my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, so for me, eyeliner comes when I've done my eyeshadow, I've put on my foundation, I've set my face, I've contoured, I've done everything. Lashes and liner is the last thing for me. So right now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim Felt Tip Eyeliner. It's like a pen, it's like a bowl marker. I love it because you literally hold it like you're coloring a book. I go on top of my eye and I draw a straight line like you see me doing right there. It's going out of focus, I'm sorry. But I just draw a really thin line on top of my eye because that line is gonna get thicker. So you want to be careful and draw a really thin line. Take note of the way I'm holding the pen. I'm gonna put all the links to the products I'm using down in the description bar. And then going to the outside part of my eye, I'm going to draw a straight line like I'm trying to connect my eye and my eyebrow. You want to make that really thin also. And then changing the direction of my hand, I'm going to connect that thin line to the line on top of my eye. At this point, if you notice, I started from the middle part of that outer thin line to connect to my eye, and then I'm going to the outer part of that thin line to connect to the top of my eye, and then going back on top of my eye, I'm going to make sure that the thickness is even throughout my eye. You don't want one part light and the other one thick. And then you just go back to the tail of the liner and make it as sharp and as dark as you want and as long as you want. Drawing a perfect line can be really tricky. Even experts make mistakes once in a while. So you want to practice, and you're definitely going to get a hang of it and your hand is going to get more stable. If you get it wrong the first time, don't be discouraged, but just try as much as possible to practice. Even if you get it wrong, just keep practicing. Just remember that just like your eyebrows, your eyeliner is like sisters. It would never be twins. And now I'm ready to put my lashes, and I'm going to prep my lashes with my Maybelline mascara. You can use any mascara of your choice, but this is my favorite drugstore mascara. And these are my favorite lashes from the beauty supply, the Miss 3D Volume lashes. They're about $2.99. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use tweezers, even though I prefer to use my hands. And this is the dual eyelash adhesive. It dries black, and that's why I love it. So this is how I take off my lashes. I pinch the packet and I pull it, and then I measure them on my eye to make sure that it fits. If it doesn't, I use a pair of scissors and I clip off the longer end of the lashes. And then applying the lash glue, I just apply a generous amount on the band of the lashes. And now, as you can see, it's light gray. As soon as it turns dark gray, it means it's tacky, and that's when you want to apply your lashes. Don't wait for it to get dry. You want it to be tacky. And while waiting for it to be tacky, I'm going to use my NYX liquid liner to make my line sharper and darker. This is completely optional because you can make a lot of mistakes here and it gets really messy. That's why I prefer the felt tip liner, because it's perfect for beginners. This is for more advanced. This is for when you get really comfortable with it. As soon as your glue turns dark gray, it means it's ready to use. It means it's tacky. If it turns black, it means it's dry and you have to start all over. Now, going directly on top of your actual lashes, you want to put the lashes in the center of your eye, like I'm doing right there, and then go to the outer corner, push it in, make sure it sticks to your eye, and then go to the inner part and push it in also. I like to go back inside and wiggle it and make sure it's really stuck in there. Or you can use the tweezers to pinch your actual lashes and the fake lashes together. It's more comfortable, I would say, to use your fingers. I like to use my fingers, so do whatever you're comfortable with, but I'll advise to use your fingers, because if those tweezers make a mistake and enter your eye, you're finished, you're blind. and you blame Diva or Lenora T, right? However, I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. I hope you enjoy watching, and like I said, practice is key. Even if you make mistakes, keep practicing. You can stop right here if you like this look, but personally, I wanted to make it a little, to pop a little bit more. And so I'm going in with any black eye pencil. This is the e.l.f. black pencil from Walmart. It's about $3, and I'm just going to my waterline to apply some of it. And because I thought my lipstick was too simple, and of course I wanted it to pop, I went in with the Fenty Beauty Stunner lipstick in Uncensored. It's a really bright red lipstick, and I applied it to my lips as usual. On its own, the lipstick is perfect. It's not too bright when it dries, but I'm a liner girl, and so I used the lip liner from Colorpop in the shade Pitch. It's a brown pencil, and I just went to the outer corners of my lips and I applied it. I fell in love with this lipstick. This is my first time using it. It's perfect for everybody, dark skin, light skin, and when it dries, it's not as red as it is now, but when it dries, it's matte and it feels comfortable. It's not drying. It's just, I mean, look at that. It's just perfect. And with this liner, it just matches perfectly. I love it. You should get yours.